Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And you know what? This whole month, of course, is Chinese New Year. Even all the way to the end of the month, it feels like a brand new year. And we're here to celebrate in Hakka. 其实今天呢，我们就是因为整个2月就是在过年的那种气氛。我们今天教呢，跟过年可能会听到的一些事情或吃到的东西有关好了。
Okay.
There's one type of food that is consumed during Chinese New Year quite often, and that's the fish, because the word fish actually sounds like having leftovers, having savings to accumulate stuff over to the next year, and that brings in more fortune and more luck for the coming year. So a lot of people like to eat fish. 常常我们就会说年年有余。所以呢，今天呢，我们来教跟鱼有关的一些字好了。
好，我们就来吃鱼啊。
吃鱼啊，对啊。Eating fish, how do you say that?
是
是这个听起来好像是黄色
不是是
Okay, that means eating fish.
对，那海陆腔的吃鱼是
Oh, for a different dialect, saying eating fish is 是
对，一个一个是
了解。那我要造一个句好了，
好，
就说我很喜欢吃鱼。I love eating fish. How do you say that?
爱懂好吃
啊，对，这我应该自己会造。懂好吃就是很喜欢嘛，哈。爱懂好吃
对
that is I love eating fish. All right, there are a lot of fish markets around the island. 我们教大家怎么讲鱼市场。
私虫
私虫 So again is the fish, and 私虫 that's a market, so fish market. 其实我还蛮喜欢吃鱼，但是不能那个鱼吃太多的就好了。
吃鱼会变聪明了。
会齁，对，好，那多吃鱼咯。鱼翅 fishbone, how do you say that? Fishbone.
Say good.
Say good. 哦，小鱼骨是不是？
对啊，你看那个鱼骨头大部分都小小，所以你才会刺到啊。
没错 ，the tiny fish bones, OK， 就是鱼翅。Say good.OK， 鱼翅不是鱼翅根的那种鱼翅
哦，对，那
就不一样了。All right, let's review these terms. All right, the fish 鱼，and if you want to eat the fish 吃鱼，
是
and then 鱼市场 that's the fish market.
私虫
私虫 and finally fish bones 鱼翅。
Say good.
Say good. So we wish you a happy new year and 年年有余. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
汉字 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.